Ooh, it started. He's idle. Woohoo! The blaster lives again. And there's no knocking. Well, guys, I'll come back a little bit later and we'll give it the second startup. It has a lot more torque. Oh, wow, that's second gear. It's definitely got good compression now. I think it would help if I worked on my starting procedure. And also, if it's still hard to... Wow! And if it still is hard to start, it's because of that stupid carburetor. But I think it'll get over that. Oh, this thing rips. Woohoo! Yeah. Come on, give her the beans. Give her the beans! No? Okay. Come on, it can take some beans. I don't know what he said. I think he said torque. He said, let's check its torque. What is he doing? Let's see. I said that's pretty torquey for a two-stroke. That's like a four-stroke.
That was hardly any gas, second gear.
Wow! What about first? Oh, it's a lot better.